Today we will draw simple shapes in one-point perspective and then learn how to draw a bedroom using this method. Let's get right into it. Draw a horizon line and place a vanishing point on it. The horizon line, or the eye line, separates the sky and the ground. Now let's practice one-point perspective, drawing cubes and cuboids. Draw a rectangle and connect three corners of your rectangle that are closest to the vanishing point with straight lines. Finish your cuboid by drawing two sides that are left to complete your shape. These lines are supposed to be parallel to your other sides of the rectangle. Practice drawing cubes and cuboids in one-point perspective a few times before drawing more complex objects. You don't have to use a ruler for this exercise, but feel free to do so if you're still practicing your straight lines. Let's add windows to one of our cubes to make it look like a building. When you draw windows on the side of your building, remember that these horizontal lines are supposed to go back to the vanishing point. For this practice drawing and our bedroom drawing, I recommend you use a hard pencil like 2H or HB. It will be easier for you to erase it, and your drawing will look much cleaner at the end. Put this practice drawing aside and get a new sheet of paper. Now we're going to draw the bedroom. Draw a horizon line roughly where the top third of your paper ends, and place a vanishing point somewhere in the middle of your line. In one-point perspective, there's always only one vanishing point. Now let's draw the wall of our bedroom that will be facing us. Once you finish drawing your rectangle, draw 4 straight lines, connecting your vanishing point with 4 corners of your rectangle. Continue your lines, passing the corners. Now you have a side wall of your bedroom, a ceiling, another side of a bedroom, the floor, and the wall that is facing you. Let's draw our bed first. The sides of the bed you can find by drawing straight lines from your vanishing point. The rest will be parallel and perpendicular lines to your horizon line. Then, let's draw a door and add a dresser. Again, start with the lines that go towards your vanishing point. Then define the corners of your door and your dresser and draw vertical and horizontal lines to complete your shapes. Use eraser to adjust your lines, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. As you keep going, don't forget to erase all your supporting lines. They help to draw your furniture, but you won't need those lines in your final drawing. I decided to make my dresser a little smaller so we can see the door better behind it. I'm erasing my supporting lines so my drawing doesn't get very messy, and next thing I'm gonna draw is the rug under the bed. My pattern on the rug consists of horizontal lines. In this angle, these lines will be going towards the vanishing point. Let's add couple pillows and a blanket to our bed and then draw a window. Draw a window and add a windowsill. To define where the windowsill will be, draw straight lines from your vanishing point through the corners of your window. I made my window a bit bigger and then added a ceiling lamp. Let's draw a frame of a painting above our bed. Remember, the further the object, the smaller it will appear on our painting. Once you finish doing that, draw whatever you would like to have on the frame. I chose to draw mountain landscape. Before we finish our drawing, let's erase all the supporting lines. The only thing that is left is to finish drawing our window. And then you can also add the view that we can see through the window. I decided to redraw my windowsill and make it a little smaller. And I felt my dresser looked a little empty, so I added a pot and drew a tree in it. Congrats, you're done. Clean up your drawing by erasing all supporting lines and going over your main lines with a softer pencil. You can also add shading to achieve similar result.